Craving that bakery-style coffee crumb cake but don't feel like baking a whole pan? Don't worry, I've got you covered with this single-serve mug version. It's soft, fluffy, and topped with a buttery cinnamon crumb just like the bakery. The best part? It's ready in just a couple of minutes right in your microwave. Let's get started. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and add 1/2 tablespoon of cold butter. Rub in with your fingers until it looks like coarse crumbs. This is your crunchy, buttery streusel topping. Set it aside. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, making it the base of our cake, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix so the baking powder is evenly spread out. This helps the cake rise evenly and stay light and fluffy. In a small bowl, add 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee powder and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix it well until the coffee dissolves completely. This gives you a quick, strong brewed coffee for that rich flavor in your mug cake. Now add this strong brewed coffee to our base. 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together until smooth and lump-free. This is going to give you a fluffy, moist, coffee-flavored cake. Sprinkle the streusel evenly over the batter. I used all of the prepared streusel so every bite has that buttery cinnamon crunch, pressing it down lightly so it sticks. This is the best part. It's what makes this mug cake taste like real bakery-style coffee crumb cake. Microwave your mug on high for about 60 to 70 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. If you want that bakery finish, mix 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar with 1/2 teaspoon of milk and a drop of vanilla extract. I'm mixing it all together until it turns into a smooth, glossy glaze that's perfect for drizzling. Drizzle it over the top and watch your mug cake transform into a mini coffee shop treat. And there you have it, a warm, fluffy, and crumbly coffee crumb mug cake ready in minutes. As I dig in, the cake is soft, fluffy, and perfectly moist, with a rich coffee flavor in every bite. The crumb topping adds that buttery cinnamon crunch, just like a real bakery cake. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.